Welcome students, so this is CXC 2010 question paper. The first question, we are asked to calculate 2.76 divided by 0.8 plus 8.7 raised to the power of 2. So you can use calculator. Now what I would do is, I would rewrite 0.8 as 8 over 10 followed by 8.7 whole squared or raised to the power of 2. And then if I were to flip this is going to be 2.76 divided by 8 multiplied by 10 positive 8.7 raised to the power of 2. You multiply these two, this is going to actually move the decimal to the right. So this would be 27.6 divided by 8 positive 8.7 raised to the power of 2. Now you can actually utilize the calculator. 27.6 divided by 8. This is giving you 3.45, and then 8.7 square. This is giving you 75.69. So you add 3.45 to that, you get 79.14. Students, this is question 1b. So a certain company pays a salesman a sum of $3,140 per month. Along with that, annual commission of 2% on total car sales. The salesman makes a sale of $720,000 for the year 2009. Now what are we asked is, we are asked to find his fixed salary for the year. This is the first thing. And then the amount he received as commission. For the year. And then his total income for the year. Total income for the year. So we have to get all this. So now 3,140 is the solution. Okay, this is a solution. 3,140 is the salary paid for a month. Okay, so find the fixed salary for the year. Therefore, the salary for the year is equal to, how do you find the salary? 3,140 multiplied by 12. So you can use the calculator. 3,140. It's actually multiplied by 12. So 3,680. It's 30,680 is the salary for the year. The amount he received on 2% or as commission. So this is B. Total sales is what? Total sales is $720,00. So commission is what? Commission is 2%, so 2 over 100 multiplied with 72000. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. You multiply by 2, 7 times 2 times 2 is 4, 7 times 2 is 14. 1 2 0 1 2. So this is the commission he gets, 14,400. Okay, so that answers part B. Now part C, I will just place it here. Total income. Total income is what? 14,400. So to this I add 14,400. Right. So 52,080. 52,080. So this is the total income he gets. So part A, part B, part C. So let's move on to the next question. Students, this is the next question. We've been given following ingredients to make pancakes. So 2 cups of pancake mix is used to make 8 pancakes, and 1 and 1/3 amount of milk is used. So that is the question. What we are required is to find what amount of mix should Ryan use to make 12 pancakes. Okay, now 2 cups. So this is a solution. So 2 cups are used to make how many pancakes? 8 pancakes. So I want to know, find, this is, when I say 2 cups of mix, this is pancake mix, right? So now I want to find how many cups are required to make 1 pancake. So how do we do that? To make 8 pancakes, I need 2. So therefore, to make 1 pancake, what is the amount of mix is required? So you need to find this out. So what do we need to do? 2 has to be divided by 8. So 2 divides here 4 times. And we got 1 that has to be divided by 4. So 0, 0, 4 2s are 8. And 2 and 5, 2 0. So it's going to be 5 there, 0.25. 0.25. So what does this mean? This means we need 0.25 cups of mix to make how many? 1 pancake. So this means Ryan would need how much or the number of cups of mixes. So Ryan would need 0.25 times 12 cups of pancake mix to make 12 pancakes. So what is this? You can use your calculator. 0.25 multiplied by 12. That will mean 3 cups of pancake mix. So that's a solution. So now we move on to the next part of the question. This is the next part of the question. Nisha used 5 cups of milk. Now you have to find the number of pancakes made. Now the original data, if you were to look into the original data, you see that 1 and 1/3 amount of milk is used to make how many? 8 pancakes. So I'm going to write that. We know that 1 and 1/3 cups of milk is used to make 8. So this means for 8 pancakes we are using how much? 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4/3. So therefore for 1 we need to find that. So this is equal to 4/3 times, you flip it, it's going to be 1/8, and this is going to be 1/6. So 1/6 cups of milk is used to make 1 pancake. So with the 5 cups, how many such cakes can be made? Right, with 5 cups. So I can give the answer here. So this goes in for making 1 pancake. So we need to get how many pancakes can be made in 5 cups, right? So what we have to do is we have to set up the expression. So in this case it's going to be 5 divided by 1/6, which is equal to 30 pancakes, and that will be the solution for this question.